Hello everyone, and welcome again to a new lesson of Microsoft Excel powered by Small Head Big Wisdom. Today we are going to learn some formatting in Excel such as bold, italic, underline, fonts, borders, etc. So let's start by assigning to a range of cells the bold effect. So we highlight the text and then click on the letter B to assign bold or to remove it. Similarly, we can click on the letter I for italic. If you can see here, we can toggle mouse italic, and the same for underline. You can see the monitor, the word monitor is underlined, and we can remove it by clicking on the letter U. We can also use the keyboard by pressing the key Control plus the letter B for bold, Control plus the letter I for italic, or Control plus U for underline. Let's do a practice here. For instance, I want to remove the underline to the word monitor. Hold the key Control and press the letter U. You can see the underline is removed. Again, assign, remove, Control U. The same for bold, Control B to assign bold. You can see bold is assigned, Control B to remove it. Now, how to change the color? Just highlight the text. For instance, I want to change only to this cell, and here I can choose the color that I want. Let's choose red. And the same, if I want the whole range, highlight the whole range and click on the color that I want. So imagine that I have a specific color that is difficult to identify, so I can copy the color to the rest of the cells. So I just click on the cell that I want the origin of the color, and then here click on Format Painter and highlight the text to which I want to apply. Format Painter and just here apply. Now I can also assign borders. Highlight the text and here choose the border that I need. The outline part, for instance, only the outside, or the whole internal borders as well. For changing the font type, here I can choose whatever I want, and then the size. The higher the number, the bigger the text. So I can also use the icons here for decreasing or increasing. For instance, I want to decrease the size, or here click on that icon to increase. Okay. Also, I can, if I need a specific number, I can type it in 14.5 and hit enter, and that is the size of this text. You can also right click and choose it from here. Most of the formatted options are shown, so whatever is easier for you. Or here, if you click on this small arrow on the right bottom corner, it shows the dialog with the different options for formatting, and it's pretty much the same as I have just shown. Now I want to show how to align the text. For instance, Here I have the word mouse on the bottom. So if we can use these icons to align horizontally to the left, center, and to the right. And if I want to align vertically, so with these icons I can do it on the top, center, and bottom. So those icons allows aligning text in different directions. So you can see the word mouse is centered both horizontally and vertically. Here is aligned to the left. So these options can be used for any text, one single cell, or the whole range. So this is applicable for anything that you want to do in Excel. So you highlight the range and apply whatever you need. So if you want a single cell, just click on it and then apply the icon that you need. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon at Small Head, Big Wisdom.